2010 Nissan Sentra SR Sport Edition. Factory fog lights, alloys, rear sport wing, automatic transmission. It's a 2-owner unit. Good mileage, only 74,000 miles. Clean. Doesn't appear to ever been smoked in. Windows, locks, tilt, cruise, CD, auxiliary line in jack. Good tires, freshly serviced. Really nice inside. This car's cleaned and maintained. Again, I don't believe it's ever been smoked in. Good odometer. This car is going to get a 3-month, 4,500 mile service contract on the engine and driveline. It's going to get a free Carfax certification. It's going to get gas, and you can get approved as low as $795 on this car. Guaranteed credit approval. DasCleveland.com.